Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and this is a short video to introduce you to a new brand of nail products that I have here by Rossi Nails. So they went ahead and sent me a nice secret box, secret mystery box here with some introductory products to let you see how what they're like. Like I said, so they have nail products, they have powders, and they have gels. The ones that I have here to show you is one of their dip powders. So here's their beautiful packaging of this cute little box, and it's empty because I've already removed what was inside. Let me go ahead and show you. These are the 3 essential liquids for your dip powder manicure, and here's a sample powder that they sent me, a beautiful pink. This particular one is P84 Date Light or Date Night. Gorgeous pink with holographic glitters. And let me show you. So in these bottles, these are the little plastic 0.23 fluid ounces or 7 ml bottles. Yes, when I said the 3 essential ones, you obviously need the base, the activator, and of course the top coat. So this one, let me start with the base. The base is the number 2 and this on the steps. And let me show you just a close up of the label on the back. You do have, it says Rossi Base Coat makes your glam powder last longer and cling to your nails better. Ingredients, it does have the list of ingredients on the back of the label. And this product, it says designed in the US, made in Republic of China. All right. Then we have the activator, step number 3. It must have is a must-have formula created to activate all your glam powders. Yes, this is what hardens your dip powder to your nail, and also has the ingredients listed on the back. And then the top coat as well, same thing. Top coat protects your glam powder manicure from chipping and peeling, and then you have the ingredients listed here as well. That is actually impressive. A lot of companies do not even list their ingredients on the back of their products. So here's a swatch of this beautiful pink. I'm going to go ahead and bring you up close. Gorgeous holographics right there. I will have all the links down in the description bar below. Let me show you what this looks like inside. This was sealed. There's the paper right there. Gorgeous color, gorgeous pink. So if you have any questions about this, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Rossi Nails for sending me this gorgeous products to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.